Hey guys, this is Asif from the MAEA committee. I'm making this quick tutorial for new users on our Discord server, just to help you navigate your way through all the different channels and bots available. If you are new to Discord, here are some of the terminologies that I will be using. On the left hand side, we have all our channels. There are channels for voice, where you can join and disconnect at any time and talk to whoever else is on the channel with you. These are channels for text, where you can send a message to everyone else on the server. These are categories that contain the channels. Please only use the channels for what they are categorized as. The rest of the main category has the announcements for upcoming MAEA events, links to our other online circles, our suggestions, and a support page for inquiries into the server or MAEA as a club. Thirdly, after the new join mute is lifted, the other channels will be open for use. Below the main category, we have our coursework category. This one is for specific courses that most students will be enrolled in. If you have any questions about a specific course, drop it in this group and hopefully someone in your course or who has taken the course can help you out. If you're taking a course and you want it to be added to the list of channels, message it to the suggestions chat in main. Next up are our homework channels. These channels are for any general homework questions. Say if you have some trouble with using MATLAB or want to know how to solve some random algebraic equations, drop it in this channel and someone else can try to help you out. Feel free to use these voice channels for group discussions while uni is closed. Ping an admin if there aren't any free channels for discussion, as we can make more instantly. There are bots available for use that can help with homework. They will be talked about more later in this video. Fourthly, we have our lounges and music request channels. I'll go over how to request music in the next section. The lounge category is a general hangout zone, kind of like a student lounge. We've got a channel for STEM talk, one for anything off topic, a channel for memes, one channel that posts pictures of dogs and cats every now and then. The voice channels in this category are for any topic, and I encourage you to use the music bots only in these channels. The first voice channel has a bot that plays 24/7. You can mute this bot and all other bots just for yourself if you wish. The other three channels are for using other music bots. Next up is how to use the bots. There are two bots available for help with homework. The first is MathBot, that can calculate equations and queries by using either Wolfram Alpha or LaTeX. The second is Wikipulse, which can summarize Wikipedia articles. The examples are available in the first channel in the homework help category. Please ping an admin if you need any assistance with using the bots. Say you wanted to find the square root of Euler's number. What you would do is do equals wolf sqrt bracket e bracket, and MathBot should come back with some results. Yep, you found the square root of e, gave you some diagrams and some definitions. You can do this with pretty much anything that's related to math, even the stuff for physics. It's really helpful, and if you need any help, don't forget to ping an admin. Similar to using the homework bots are the music bots. Use one of the 4 commands on the screen to summon a bot to the voice channel that you are in. Please note that you need to be connected to a voice channel in order to use the bot. Note that the last command also needs you to choose which song to play. Simply use the command that's on the screen right now. Sometimes the bot's music may cut out, in which case try to leave and rejoin the channel you're in. Please limit your music requests to this channel. Alright, now I'll go over how to request music using one of the bots that we have available. For this example, I'll be using the Groovy bot. First thing I need to do is join a voice lounge channel. I'll join Student Lounge 2 right now. Okay, now that I'm in the channel, I can head over to music requests, and then for the Groovy bot, I'll use dash
play, then I'll play some royalty-free music. Note that you can use any music that you can find on YouTube, but just for this example, I'll be using royalty-free music. Okay, so now that the GroovyBot has joined our channel, we can hear the music start playing. I can use -pause to pause the GroovyBot. Okay, and I can use -resume to make it start playing again. And we can use -skip to skip the track if I want to. Please note that all the commands are listed in the MusicBot commands channel for all the different bots. Basic play commands for the MusicBot are available on the pin icon in the top right hand corner of a desktop screen.
Each channel has their own set of pins for important information. The commands for the music bots and for the homework bots are listed in the first channel for their respective categories. Please don't hesitate to ping me by using @rsif for any assistance. That's everything to do with our server. If there's any suggestions you'd like to make, please don't hesitate to message the suggestion channels or contact me directly. Hope to see you guys on the server. Thanks for watching this video.